Understanding, as I see it, a guide to English expressions. Hello, dear learners. Today we're diving into the phrase, as I see it. This expression is a gem in conversational English, and understanding it will not only enhance your speaking but also your comprehension skills. So let's get started, and by the end of this video, you'll be using, as I see it, like a native. As I see it is a phrase we use to express our personal perspective or opinion on a matter. It's a way of sharing how we interpret a situation or a subject, acknowledging that others may see it differently. Think of it as a polite way to share your views without dismissing someone else's. Using, as I see it, is quite straightforward. You typically introduce it at the beginning or in the middle of a sentence. For example, as I see it, learning English opens up many opportunities. The project is on track, as I see it. This phrase is perfect for discussions where you want to respectfully assert your opinion. It's great in work meetings, debates, or casual conversations where various viewpoints are being discussed. It's less formal than, in my opinion, and more considerate than saying, I think. There are a few variations you might hear as well. From my point of view, to my mind, the way I look at it, each of these serves a similar purpose and can be used interchangeably with, as I see it. Thank you for watching. I hope this video clarifies how and when to use, as I see it. Remember, it's all about sharing your perspective in a way that's open to dialogue. Keep practicing, and soon, you'll be expressing your opinions like a pro. Until our next lesson, happy learning!